Ever found a bug that makes you question whether it's a tiny glitch or a potential security flaw hiding in plain sight? Today we're diving into a memory leak in cURL. Yes, the same cURL used in billions of devices. It all started with a fuzz test and ended with a surprisingly persistent leak nobody saw coming. Using a modified fork in the cURL fuzzer. Shout out to Cyber. I might be butchering that. I ran a test targeting FTP connections. After fixing a minor leak in cURL itself, what surfaced wasn't just a one-off glitch, but a deeper memory leak, triggered when cURL reuses an FTP connection with a proxy setup. One connect data structure gets cleaned, the other left hanging in memory limbo. LeakSanitizer confirmed it. FTP underscore setup underscore connection allocates memory that's never freed, if reused improperly, and it's not clear whether the fault lies within cURL or the fuzzer itself. Now, this isn't a catastrophic buffer overflow, but memory leaks like this, especially in widely used libraries, can snowball. They can slow down systems, open doors to other exploits, and waste precious resources. The takeaway? Even the smallest leaks is worth your attention, because security, tiny drips can sink massive ships. Have you fuzzed your libraries lately? Drop your thoughts and bugs down below. And if this helped you look at a memory in a new light, hit that like and subscribe button. And fuzz responsibly.